Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Volkswagen Tiguan, and this car have a problem. You can see light signal, that's the problem. Today I will show you why this warning light came and how you can solve this problem. Okay, first start car. Now you can see there is no light. Okay, when I turn ignition left, you can see left side one light on. See, in right side, because I steering turn right, and when I do straight and light but off, you can see here. See now, light, that light off. When I turn right, light on. When I straight, light off. See, and when I turn full left side, warning light came. See, check Bend Lighting AFS not working. Okay, so what is the problem actually? When I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault in headlight left stationary AFS open circuit. Okay, now I will show you what is this. So turn right full, go right side. You can see here this light on when I turn right, and when I turn left, this light should be on. Okay, now I turn left full, that one off. And you can see here this light not on, this one, and that's the problem. That's why this fault came. This light have a problem. This bulb damage, you have to replace this bulb, and that's why fault came. Left stationary AFS open circuit. This is for a left bulb, that turning light. When turn right, right one on, and left one on. If left damage in bulb, then this warning light came like this. Okay, thank you.